For any business, time is always of the essence. Get some of that time back and focus on the things that made you love your business in the first place with Deluxe Payment Exchange. DPX takes the manual work out of your payment process, saving you time and money. No more stamps, envelopes, paper check stock. Sending payments is now as fast and easy as securely connecting your bank account to the DPX platform and entering payment details. Pay bills from home. Send payments from the job site. Now you can get it done anytime, from anywhere. How you want to make each payment is totally up to you and the preference of those you're paying. Once you've purchased your e-checks, all you need is an email address or mailing address, and that's it. Done. Payment made. DPX lets you send one or hundreds of payments, all in a matter of seconds, and gives you the option to include remittance information with each payment. No email address? No problem. Our Print Plus Mail option lets you create payments exactly the same way, but we'll print and mail paper checks to your recipients with no additional postage charge. You'll still save the time and money associated with the old manual way of paying bills, and your vendors, customers, or whomever still get paid in a timely manner. Receiving an e-check is just as easy. Recipients will get an email notification with a secure link and the option to print as a check for deposit at no additional charge. Or choose one of these deposit services to get funds into an account at the click of a button. So take back your time. Get back to the things that made you want to start your business in the first place. Deluxe Payment Exchange. A faster, easier, more affordable way to get those bills paid.